In this video, we are going to talk about how you can grow your business on social media. So if you want to take your business online and you want to use social media for that, then this video is for you. Now, in this era of internet and online shopping, if your business is not online, then you are definitely missing a lot. But today we are going to give you 5-step process by which you can easily use social media to grow your business. So let's dive in each of the steps and start with the point number 1, that is plan a strategy. Now there are a lot of social media platforms out there and every platform has its own plus, minus and algorithms. So you need to do a little bit of planning here. Where is your target audience is mostly found? Is it on YouTube? Is it on Instagram? Or is it on LinkedIn or Twitter? Because all of these platforms, they all have a separate audience type. And once you decide which platform is best for your business, and then you can go ahead and start with your content marketing. Now here comes the good part these days. Most of the social media platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, or maybe Twitter or any other platform, most of them are pushing the short videos or short vertical videos in their algorithm. So here you got a huge opportunity to create one piece of content that is a short video in vertical format and use it on all the platform. And that's how you can plan your strategy for more than one social media platform. And then you can jump on to the step number 2, that is deciding your audience. Now, as mentioned in the point number 1, that every platform got a different type of audience, and there might be a case that your target audience is more on Instagram and less on YouTube or LinkedIn. So you need to keep an eye on the analytics of your profile, that how is your audience performing to your content, and then you will decide which platforms you wish to take forward, because the one which is giving you the returns is the platform that you want to focus on. Then comes the step number 3. Even if you have a brand account maybe on any of the social media platforms, make sure you find audience or the influencers in your category and then go and follow their profiles and see what they are doing. And in order to get visibility, you should go ahead and engage with them in the comment section or maybe the videos that they are posting on YouTube. So if you become active in their community, then their community will definitely notice your brand. And then comes the point number 4, that is follow the trend. Now to take the best out of content marketing on any social media platform is to observe the trend of that social media platform. Now there could be a trend on YouTube and which is not on Instagram, and there could be a trend on Instagram which is not on any other platform. So while doing this content marketing for your business on social media, you need to keep a very close eye on what's trending on that particular platform. And then comes the point number 5, and that is the most important while growing your business online on any social media platform. And that is, do not try to sell. Now this might sound odd for a business to grow on social media, but trust me, this is going to end up in your favor. The more you try to sell your products on social media, the lesser people are going to engage with you. And the more you will give value and try to connect with the problems of the audience, then there is no doubt that more people will engage with your content and they would love to buy products from you. So the best way to grow your business on social media is to provide value, and then sales will automatically follow. So these are the 5 steps that you can take to grow your business online on any social media platform.
If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.